I've been there twice.
What's your name, sir?
I'm Johnny Flynn. You guys jumped a disabled kid who I have a letter that I provided to you that I am to assist him. And turns out you guys are claiming now that he threatened to jump in front of an oncoming train, which is false. So I FOIA'd the body cam, and now you formally denied me the body cam? Did you torture this kid? Did you tie him up, put him in a chair, and inject him with something? What the hell did you inject him with?
John, I don't have any idea what you're referring to.
Exactly. So I'm getting the runaround, and torture is illegal. So I'd like the body cam evidence. And to be denied it, I will sue you guys today if I don't have it by tonight.
Okay.
Now, get it to me. Huh? Well, I've asked for Internal Affairs about 50 times. 5-0.
Okay, what was your last name again, John?
Flynn. I came to the window. I spoke to Cruz. I spoke to like 5 sergeants and all these people who are just liars, basically.
Do you know who you spoke to about the FOIA stuff?
I spoke to the lady, very nice lady in records. Oh, there's an ongoing investigation. My ass, there's an ongoing investigation. You tried to kill this kid. That's attempted murder. I think I need the body cam evidence. What do you think?
Okay.
I wrote you a letter. I came to the window. You accused Glenn Perez of a crime while he was on a cruise ship in the Dominican Republic. What do you think? Then upon his return, you jumped him. Worked him over. You admitted to working him over. After I gave you the letter saying he was disabled, the guy's disabled. You have no right. You violated every ADA law in the country. And you don't have an internal affairs officer? That's not true either. I know you're lying.
Is that who you're looking to speak with today?
I've asked more than 30 times and recorded it. Yes, I want your internal affairs officer on the phone.
Have you made a complaint?
Yes, I have. Yes, as I told you before. I told you twice.
Did you make a written complaint?
I filed a FOIA electronically, and I sent it to you more than 3 times.
The FOIA request?
Freedom of information.
Is that what you're saying you sent 3 times?
Correct. And I confirmed that you received it through the lady who I met at the window when I asked for the police report, and I was denied the police report. Because you changed it. You altered it. You added charges. And then, hold on. These guys said they claimed they dropped the charges, and they didn't. Then they claimed there was a warrant, and there isn't. There's no signature on that thing. Really? You're going to tell me you have a warrant when you don't? Then you're going to torture a kid and inject him with something, and you won't tell us what it is. He has multiple food allergies. He needs a gluten-free diet. He has lactose intolerance. Gotta put my socks on. Gotta go to work. We're on hold. What kind of police chief never goes to work? Oh, the Milford police chief. Milford, Connecticut. They have an extensive problem. Everyone's a liar. It's like Easton. It's worse than Norwalk, I bet. That's hard to do. No one's as bad as Stamford. Oh, except East Haven, of course, in the 3-year sting operation of the FBI, which 5 cops went to jail for 5 years each, because they use hitmen.
Let me forward you over to records. They might have more information.
No.
Right?
I want internal affairs. And say your name.
My name is Officer DeBrow.
Thank you, sir. I want internal affairs, because the lady in records is being told that she cannot comply with federal law. And she's agreeing not to comply with federal law.
Okay. All right, give me a minute.
You have an investigation? I've talked to you. I tried to get the guy, 30 times? Now I've got to put my pants on. How do you like them apples? No one in Pound Ridge, New York locks their door, so you know. They don't have to. Let's look up the racketeering law. Yeah. RICO. Racketeer Influence Corrupt Organization Act. Is in the United States federal law that provides for its civil and federal and state law, actually. Under RICO, 2 acts of racketeering drawing from 35 crimes within a 10-year period. Enterprise, 20 years imprisonment per count. Forfeit all ill-gotten gains and interest for the racketeering. Oh. U.S. Attorney.
I'm going to forward you to the lieutenant in charge of the records division there, okay?
Let me explain something. Ready? The fact that I've called for the investigating officer more than 30, I've asked 30 times to speak to this guy, proves that there is no investigation that's ongoing, A. Since you made an arrest. Hold on. Let me explain. Let me explain what RICO is and what racketeering is and how your obstruction is a predicate act under RICO. He didn't want to hear it.
You have reached voicemail for Lieutenant Luke Holder. Please leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can.
Hi, it's Johnny Flynn. I asked for your investigating officer about 30 times and your internal affairs 30 times, proving there is no ongoing investigation into Glenn Perez. And the fact that you haven't called me back ever is obstruction, which is a predicate act under RICO. I only have to prove 2 out of 35 crimes have occurred. So obstruction is the first one. Okay? So I'm calling the Department of Justice, the Attorney General, and the U.S. Attorney today, and I'm filing a complaint that you guys are falsely maintaining there's an ongoing investigation so you can deny me FOIA, whereby you're falsely claiming that Glenn Perez said he would jump in front of an oncoming train, so that you could tie him to a chair and inject him with shit. Shit stands for stuff an individual can't tolerate. Shit. Stuff individual can't tolerate. Well, the C is silent. Can you please call me back? It's important, because I haven't heard from him in 4 days, which is a problem for you, because I asked for a wellness check, and you didn't do it, and you refused. So I asked you for a wellness check on a guy that got injected with something he doesn't know what it is. He's disabled, and I gave you...
Length recorded. To re-record, press 1. To delete, press star D. Is finished, press pound.
Let's press pound. Let's see. Pound.
To make private, press 1. To make priority, press 2.
2.
To set priority. To make private, press 1. To remove priority status, press 2. To send, press pound.
Send.
Thank you for leaving your message.
Okay.
To access your mailbox, press star R. To transfer to another...
Let's get this clear. This is clear. You better have this body cam evidence, because there's no ongoing investigation, which is a lie told by Norwalk every day. Just to compare, I gave Norwalk 1,293 cashed stolen checks by Judge Adams's law firm in the Stamford Superior Court, signed by Judge Adams's partner's father. Stolen checks. They've been maintaining since 2000, 23 years. They have an ongoing investigation, and I am not allowed records. They are all going to jail, folks. It's just that the FBI can't handle the number of complaints I gave them. Well, that's the only way we're going to fix this mess. Have a great day.